We're having another blackout here. Well, it's in our area. You can see most of the city has power, and then some areas don't, kind of like ours. But the reason I'm taking this video is I don't know if you can hear it, but there's all kinds of kids shouting and laughing and playing in the streets. Somebody over here who has power is playing music for the whole neighborhood. But of course now the kids are all quiet. But I have just been sitting here listening to all these kids screaming and laughing and playing in the dark or in the light. I just thought it was really neat.